Could you drop me one scrap? I literally am at 149 and I need 150. One singular piece of scrap, and I'll kiss you. On the lips.
Let's fucking go.
Wow. I could honestly go for a hard makeout session. No. Bro, what? Are you crazy?
Yeah, take it, go. I have stuff. Go.
Oh no!
But Glizzy, you keep on door camping us, you're getting raided, buddy. Better stop door camping us.
Nigga, no one door camps you. Y'all niggas suck. Y'all don't even want to fight me, nigga. Y'all pussy as fuck. Nigga, suck my dick, nigga. You ain't gonna tell me what I'ma do or not. You ain't gonna do shit, you and your fuck ass team. Suck my dick, nigga.
Okay. Give me free loot! Give me free loot!
Okay, what do you...
Give me free loot!
Okay,
Give me free loot!
alright, but what do you want?
Free loot!
Hey, I got stuff for you. Let me check my inventory, maybe I'll find something good. Is that Mission Impossible? What is that?
Hello! Hello, sir? You're just a random soul from the other room. Hi! Please don't...
Oh, little naked. Perhaps you have loot for me, yes? Where the fuck did you run? Where did he run?
Take the shot. I say take the shot. Take the bloody shot.
Oh!
Hey, I just wanted to talk in peace. We wanted to be peaceful. We want to be allies. We see you guys are huge, bigger than us, and we can't compete.
Back up from the door.
Sorry, sir. I'll back up.
I'll just keep... Oh! Real cute. Real cute. You cute, you know that?
Shit!
Why are you running?
Well. How the turntables?
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
My friend, how do you want to do this?
Did I really just fall for your trap base?
I'm sorry, but yes, you are going to be put in a YouTube video.
Can I at least see the video after? Bro, why did that not kill you? That should have killed you.
Look at him.
Any last words? Didn't think so.
That's just too easy. No, that shit is too easy. It's too easy.
This is real awkward. Nice. Jackie, I'll take that. His face, he looks so pissed that he fell for it. And a pistol. I'm gonna have to ask that you vacate the premises. Sir, if you will not vacate the premises, I will vacate you. Well then, good sir.
Hey, yo, the pizza here. Oh, nigga! It's so effortless. It's so effortless.
Fee, fi, fo, fum. I smell the blood of a naked. Any last words?
I love you.
Hello, sir. Here.
Bro, let me out, please.
Here, if you want me to let you out, I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 3. If you guess it right, I'll let you go. How's that sound?
Okay, bro. 2.
The answer was 4. Okay, so now that you've fallen for this trap twice, I just let's try this again.
No. Okay.
Let me ask you a question.
No, I don't want to do that. Just let me out.
Just let me ask you a question. Do you like coleslaw?
Not for real, but it's kind of good. It's kind of good. Bro, no. Oh, what kind of fucking question is that, bro? Do I like coleslaw? The fuck? What kind of question is that?
Well, I don't know, man, but just weird people like coleslaw. I don't like coleslaw. I don't really fuck with coleslaw.
I said no, bro. It's kind of good. It's kind of good. I said
You said
no.
it's kind of good. I heard you. Don't try to go back on what you said. Stick to your beliefs.
No, bro. Bro, I just want the clock. Can I just get the clock and I'll just do the facial thing?
Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Scram, kid. Scram.
The fuck you doing here, nigga?
Hey, are you alright?
Oh yeah. You think you can res me? I just got raided and I'm trying to head to Outpost.
Yeah, I got you. Here, I'll give you some of the shit back. I need some help crafting something in my base real quick. It's like, you just passed it. Can I get your help? I'm new to this game as well, so I'm trying to learn shit.
Oh yeah, sure. Yeah.
Here, let me drop you the Hazy back so we got some protection. So yeah,
Oh nice.
this is the setup we got. Watch out, there's shotgun traps. You don't want to die to those. Here, stand in like this room. Thank you. Here, stand here, and I'm gonna take the ammo out of the traps, okay? So just wait a second.
Alright. Alright.
Hasta la vista, bitch.
Hello, my friend. Are you friendly?
Yeah. I kind of just ate your pumpkins, so I just want to give you back your pumpkins.
Oh, here. Actually, I have a box inside my... This is my base right here. Could you just put it inside the box in the base for me?
Yeah.
Yeah, just put it in the...
Holy fuck! That was diabolical!
I'm sending it. It's the most manly thing you could do. Thank you. Oh, okay, we still got shit. Oh yeah, we got shit. Ho ho! Doing it solo? Oh my god. My heart is beating way too fast for this. It's a fucking video game, but like, god dang! Not a bad haul for that, honestly.